تونا واصلين طبعا لازم تكون وقت. الحين احنا شوي متأخرين بس خلونا ندخل، قالوا لأن في وايدين طلعوا.
Please have your form of payment ready. This will help ensure the line moves quickly. Once the park is full, tickets will no longer be sold. Since Weeki Wachee Springs is a family-friendly state park, all of our guests are required to wear $26. Please utilize one of our police stations to verify your cooler will be cremated in the park. If you have any glass or alcohol,
that's the schedule for today.
Just started. Hours.
How you doing? هنا يكسبون من يطلع من يدخل.
Sorry.
في عندهم هنا تقدرون تشترون حاجة لأن في عندهم عرض للميرميدز. Do you want? Okay, we'll come back, baby. Stop at your bag. روح ويا دادي. ينبوع ويكي واتشي في ولاية فلوريدا. قاموا بمسبح ينبوع طبيعي، يجرون التيوبس ويصير ليزي ريفر، يعني نهر مو مجرى سريع أو شيء. وفي مكان للسباحة، في سبلاش اللي هو سلايدز بعد. It's really cool. يعني نشوف إذا في عندهم كاياك. في عندهم mermaid show بعد، بيبدي بعد ساعة تقريبا. أقدم الباركات اللي تعرض الميرميد شوز. في الفيديوهات هذه أفلام قديمة كيف بدأوا من زمان.
In honor of Memorial Day, the Mermaids would like to do a tribute to our country and be proud to be an American. Let's set them off with a big round of applause. everyone's safety, we ask that you please remain seated throughout the entire show of the theater windows. This is a fire marshal regulation as well. As a friendly reminder, there are no food or drinks permitted in the underwater theater. Thank you. If you would like a photo opportunity with a real live mermaid, there will be a posing directly after our show located at the Mermaid Lagoon, which is right next to our gift shop. Ladies and gentlemen, this show also includes the use of strobe lights. Now, are you ready for a mermaid show today? The mermaids, can I hear you? Are you ready for a mermaid show today? Our show performers can hear your applause, and like any other performer, they absolutely love it. And now, please sit back, relax, and enjoy as our talented performers proudly present their show, Wonders of Weeki. Let's set them off with another round of applause.
Witness the world-famous Weeki Wachee mermaids perform and sing in the wondrous beauty of their natural spring. So get ready, get set, it won't be a bore. A spectacle of the likes you've never seen before. The time is now, and I gotta go. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you're waiting for. An underwater show, 15 feet beneath the shore. Beauty and her grace is a side that you can't ignore. Taking a breath, blowing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight, it's coming from your head. It's something that's wrong with the
Welcome to our magical and marvelous underwater home, Weeki Wachee Springs. Today, I'll be your ringleader. Hey, don't you mean spring leader? And these are my lovely mer sisters of Weeki Wachee.
Hi.
We have been swimming in these magical waters for a very long time. But the spring itself has been here since before time even existed. Our friends, the mammoths and mastodons, were some of the first to play in these waters. Then we started to meet the first humans. Several native tribes called this place home. And then the European explorers arrived with their fancy costumes.
Hello.
Gotta love a human in uniform. And now we get the pleasure of meeting you. Huh?
Shallow. What?
Wow.
Whoops. My bad. I'll show you back.
Thank you. All that have come before have understood the wonder and mystery of these waters.
Yeah, like that our spring is the first magnitude spring. And it pumps out 140 million gallons of water every day. And the water is over 100 years old and is filtered through a muddy aquifer system. Explorers have explored down to 400 feet, but have never found the bottom. And that makes our spring one of the deepest and clearest springs in North America.
Thank you, Miss Wikipedia. While those are all true facts that make this spring special, there is something more. She has a magical life force, a dynamic supernatural power that affects all that experience it. The real fountain of youth. I mean, she makes us look good.
Maybe there's something in the water?
Yeah, mermaids.
And no one knew that more than our fearless founder, Newton Perry.
Oh, Newt.
In 1947, Newt was wowed by the wonders of Weeki.
And us, of course.
While diving in the spring, he had a revelation to build his ultimate dream. The first underwater theater with live mermaids for all to see.
That's how Weeki Wachee came to be.
This spring is truly a place of mystery, wonder, and magic. But instead of me telling you, why don't we show you?
Swimmer in the beginning that, wrestled with that big cutie of a shark?
That was a Weeki Wachee mermaid.
Speaking of shark,
Back on track. Not to name drop, but some of our famous friends that have stopped by over the years include Esther Williams, Don Knotts, Johnny Cash, Penn and Teller, Joe DiMaggio, Jimmy Buffett, and now you. You are famous, aren't you? Yeah! But the most memorable, the most notable was the arrival of the king. No, not King Neptune, silly. The king of rock and roll. Elvis! All the way he shook his tail, the spring has never been the same since. Don't get us wrong, New Perry is the man, but Elvis was, well, let's let Mermaid Vicky, who swam for Elvis in 1961, tell you herself. At 80 years young, she still performs underwater with our legendary sirens. Hi, Vicky!
Hi, mermaids! Yes, I swam for Elvis Presley in 1961. It was a very exciting day. He was 21 years old and I was only 20, so we were both very good looking. And we were so excited. Elvis Presley, oh my gosh. And we could hear when he got here, we heard the crowds chanting, Elvis, Elvis. They had put up extra secure fences to keep the crowds back. It was all very exciting. And because he was very famous, of course, we were famous too. He was so good looking. You know, movie stars are always good looking, but Elvis Presley, perfect. And a funny thing happened to me that day on the way to swim for Elvis Presley. I got stopped for speeding. Me, going 5 miles an hour over the speed limit, I could not believe it. When that cop told me to jump in his cop car, that he was going to have to take me to the jailhouse, and I said, what? I had to be at work, man. I was a Weeki Wachee mermaid, and I was swimming for Elvis Presley. But he didn't care. He threw me in that car, and I sang Jailhouse Rock all the way to the jail.
وهذه رحلتنا لويكي واتشي. Thank you so much for watching you guys. إذا عجبكم الفيديو لا تنسون لايك سبسكرايب leave a comment down. اسم المكان ويكي واتشي، فاكتبوا في جوجل ويكي واتشي بتحصلونه. Thank you again.